In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Mailerlite. To get started, sign in to your Mailerlite account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the campaign section. This is where you can create and manage the emails you want to send. Click into campaigns, then choose create campaign to begin a new email. From here, select start from scratch. This option gives you full control over the design, which is exactly what you want when making font changes. After that, choose the Simple Editor. The Simple Editor is a straightforward way to build your email, and it makes it easy to access the design settings without too much distraction. Once the editor opens, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and open the Style panel. This is where Mailerlite keeps many of the visual settings for your email, including typography options. In the Style panel, find the setting labeled Font Family. This is the option that controls the main font used in your email design. Now click on Font Family and choose the font you prefer from the available list. As you switch between options, pay attention to how the text appears in the email preview area. Different fonts can change the tone of your message quite a bit. Some fonts feel more professional and clean, while others can feel more casual or modern, so choose one that fits the style of your brand and the purpose of your email. After selecting your preferred font, you can also adjust other typography settings if needed. For example, you may want to refine how your text looks overall so it stays readable and visually balanced. This is especially helpful if your chosen font appears slightly larger, smaller, bolder, or lighter than expected. Once you're happy with the font and any related typography settings, take a moment to preview your email. This step is important because it lets you confirm that the font looks correct and that your content is still easy to read. A quick preview can help you catch any styling issues before you continue with the rest of your campaign setup. And that's it. By going into campaigns, creating a new campaign from scratch, opening the Simple Editor, and updating the font family in the Style panel, you can quickly change the font in Mailerlite and make your email better, match your brand's look and feel.